A first of its kind, launching heart cells into space to learn more about heart disease and how we treat it. Meteorologist Ben Gelber spoke to an OSU cardiothoracic surgeon who just returned from Kennedy Space Center. Ben?
Candace, this is such an incredible experiment. It involves an OSU research team, and they went down to NASA's Launch Complex earlier this week. One of the goals, to find out how space travel impacts the heart. OSU heart surgeon Dr. Peter Lee converted stem cells into heart cells that went into orbit earlier this week for a 5-week experiment using the spaceflight environment as a research laboratory.
I've been interested in the space program for my entire life, and this is a very unique opportunity to have an experiment to actually go into space.
The International Space Station was about 250 miles above the Great Lakes when SpaceX's Falcon 9 rocket sent the Dragon spacecraft to dock with the space station on Wednesday. 2 NASA astronauts collected the materials that contained 2.5 tons of research equipment and gear for the crew and cosmonauts, using a robot arm to retrieve the cargo. The heart cells will survive longer in space, where there's very little gravity.
A lot of what happens to humans in space mimics what happens to humans as they age at an accelerated pace.
The goal of the study is to see how heart muscle responds in space, which will improve how we treat congenital heart problems and heart disease here on Earth.
And the space station now being fully operational also provides a lot more opportunity for research.